Hello, everybody. My name is Sarah Sears. I have been with Vermont Mutual for about 5 years now, and I absolutely love it. So I have a short presentation to help try to talk through a little bit about Vermont Mutual to understand the benefits and why it's a wonderful place to work. So I just want to talk a little bit briefly about Vermont Mutual Insurance. While, yes, we are Vermont Mutual and our company is located in Vermont, we are looking for someone currently in Massachusetts remotely, and this would be not just during the pandemic and working remotely because the company is, but this would be permanently remote even when our offices are able to open up. So in case anybody's not familiar with Vermont, we are a very small state, and our company headquarters are in Montpelier, which is the smallest capital in the United States. There isn't even a McDonald's there like there is in every other state capital. We're also home to National Life and the New England Culinary Institute. It is a very beautiful, quaint downtown. And I just want to briefly, in case anybody's interested, just highlight a couple things about Vermont. And it's all kind of an outdoorsy based state. There's a lot of things to do outside. So sugaring and making maple syrup, ski and ride, and there's a whole bunch of other outdoors things to do in the springtime. Also in summer, we love having our 4 seasons, and it's always exciting to be able to go outside and do things like hiking and camping and taking advantage of our state parks. Also fall, there's a lot of folks even from Massachusetts that come up for fall foliage. We lovingly call you leaf peepers, but that's okay. There's a lot of things to do up here in the fall, so please feel free to come up and visit. And then in winter, I think we're probably most well known for our skiing resorts. Acres and acres of skiing, snowshoeing, ice fishing. And if you're not an outdoors, it's all right. We also have quite a bit of theaters and shows and things that you can do inside as well. So let's get into Vermont Mutual. We were founded in 1828 as a fire insurance company, but obviously we've grown throughout the years, and now we are the oldest, largest, and most successful property and casualty carrier in Vermont, and one of the oldest carriers in the country as well. We primarily write personal and commercial lines of insurance. So if you are looking for insurance for your home, for your car, for a rental unit, things like that, we can cover you from a personal standpoint. If you are a business, and we love our habitational folks as well. So if you are a condo association, if you rent out apartments, things like that, you're a landlord. Those are the kinds of commercial lines products that we also write as well. We write in 7 states, all 6 New England states and upstate New York. So again, that's why we're hosting on JobsInMA. So we also have many, many customers. Those are our policy holders. And we also have local agents, independent agents throughout our 7 states we do business in, and 300 employees and growing, as it says here. And that's across many different departments, the traditional insurance ones like claims and underwriting and marketing, but we also have a very large IT department, accounting, human resources, obviously, and several others. Just in case anybody's not familiar with what a mutual company is, it's basically owned by our policyholders. So we are not a publicly traded company, which lets us look long-term for how the success of the company is going to be and make long-term decisions instead of worrying about quarter-to-quarter profits. So that means that our risk is low, and we're always making sure that we are being safe and stable. Like I mentioned, these are some of our customers: landlords, renters, homeowners, business owners, auto owners. So from a company standpoint, we have these different 5 priorities. And it's important for an insurance company to have strong financial results, because in case of claims, and everybody has claims once in a while, it's important for us to have the financial backing so that we can support those claims and pay out what folks are due. Something that's really important in the company is none of us is as strong as all of us, and that's really felt throughout the company from every level, which means that we work as a team. It means that everybody's opinion matters and is valued, and that when we all work together, together collaboratively and we communicate, that's when we thrive. And yes, we know we are, almost a 200-year-old company. So modernization is what keeps us relevant. That's what makes it so we're not living in the past. So we encourage folks, if there's something that can be done to help make a process more efficient or anything like that, they can submit those ideas and we take them seriously. We also try to make data-driven decisions, as you can see from this priority list. And the last one there, they call it work for a reason, and that but means that we like to have fun while we're doing it. We spend a lot of our waking time at work, so it's really important that we have strong relationships with our coworkers, and that we can do lots of fun things. And I have a couple images a little bit later on so that you can see some of the fun events we do for our staff. So like I said, our culture, we work hard, but we also play hard. So for that high performance thing, we are always looking for continuous improvement opportunities. We very much value our employees' growth and their development. We sponsor everybody's training and development. If there's an insurance-based designation that someone wants to go for, we pay for that. And we even have an on-site testing center, and I proctor those exams. So there's a lot going on. And then we're also very collaborative, like I said before. Everyone does have a voice. We are a very family-friendly organization as well. During this pandemic, I think really highlights just how much we value our families. Everybody within a few days was working remotely that could possibly be working remote. And we know that childcare's closed. We know that folks are at home taking care of their school-aged children. So we said, you know what? Go do what you need to do and work when you can. And we still paid everybody like they were working full time. So that's how much we trust and value our staff. Also for the open door policy, we do, like I said, value communication. What I really love about working here is that I could go walk down the hall, of course, when we're open in the office, and the CEO and other members of the company would know who I am. They know different things about me. They'd say by my name, "Hi, Sarah, how's it going?" And that's not something you get at all sorts of companies. I've worked in 2 very large companies in the past, and I felt like just a number. I do not feel like a number. I feel like a valued contributor at Vermont Mutual. Another really important thing about the company is we do seek to be good corporate citizens. We support local businesses, volunteering events. We sponsor a whole bunch of those throughout the year. We think it's really important to give back to the communities we live and work in, and we make that a high priority. So here are a couple pictures for you to take a look at for different things that we participate in. So this is Corporate Cup. It's a Vermont specific activity where folks can get out and just do a 5K as a group, and proceeds to this go to support the Governor's Wellness Award. So this helps sponsor different activities within the communities we live and work in. This is a couple of things from our employee appreciation event. We try to do this every year. We basically all get out of the office and we go someplace and we have food and we have activities and different fun things, as you can see here. Yes, including little jousting events. We participate in Green Up Vermont, so this is also going back to our volunteerism. We make sure that we want to keep our communities clean. So this is a Vermont specific activity as well, where we basically do roadside cleanups. Holiday luncheons, usually in the month of December, we do a large company gathering where we do an award ceremony. We recognize people that are retiring. We have a couple speeches or things like that happen. And sometimes we even have the company band get up and play. So it's a really fun event just to get people together and network and see people that they haven't gotten to see for a while. We also have the ice cream truck that comes on site, and that's our CEO and COO that are driving it there in that picture. And like I said, volunteerism is really important. So these are just a couple of the things that we do in our community. So I'm going to skip really quickly because I know I'm talking a lot. So just a couple of things that we're doing. We've been voted one of the best places to work in Vermont for 5 years in a row now, and that's something we're really proud of. So yes, while we have all these other awards that you can see here that are industry standards, you know, great financial rating, one of the best property casualty insurance companies across the country, what really is important to us is that our employees voted us one of the best places to work in Vermont for so many years. So we have it from both sides. Great place to work, financial results to back it up. So we're pretty happy about that. So positions that we're currently looking for, we have a claim manager position open on our casualty unit. So this is a great opportunity for someone. This would be located in-house in Montpelier. Actually, this would be in our Berlin office. But the one that we're looking for in a remote setting is that senior claim representative in our casualty or general liability unit. You know, attending mediations as needed, trials, arbitrations, maintaining a book of claims, so to speak, and making sure that those are paid out and maintained in an appropriate and timely manner. So I would welcome you. If you have any questions, feel free to find me on LinkedIn. Feel free to contact me or visit our website, or of course you can apply online at JobsInMA. So I will turn it over to you guys to ask me any questions you have.
Sarah, again, thank you very much, and thanks to Vermont Mutual Insurance. Thank you, everybody, and stay well. Have a great day.
Thank you.